cooking, cleaning. Don't mean to be demeaning, but when you feather dust, my nuts are turn into a demon. There in the will of recourse, so many chores that you can do it all for. So many windows indoors, so many rooms that you want to explore. So much dirt in the kitchen, so many dirty positions. Guess who's cleaning these dishes? Guess whose penis gets kisses? Mine does. Word up. I